who's back? Back again. Leslie's back. Tell a friend, or your best friend, or your cousin, or your mom, or your daddy, cause I'm back, cause I'm back, cause I'm back. Okay, so today I'm doing some mini braids. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Right now my hair needs it because my scalp has been completely neglected. So this will be my first time doing some mini twists on my hair. I blow dry my hair. If you want to see what my routine looks like when I blow dry my hair, be sure to click this card, check the description, you know, same old, you know what I'm saying? But while you're there, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Subscribe to your girl because y'all, we done hit 25K in 2021, baby. Okay. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and go ahead and comment how much you miss me, period. Comment how much you miss me, what y'all went up to, you feel me? But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I must say, I did a good job on that part, y'all. I did a good job on that part. He's looking a little stiff. Let's talk about it. You want to talk about it? Let's talk about it. So remember earlier I was like, them braids looking a little stiff. Yeah, they was looking a little stiff. So I went back and watched a YouTube video of Lavishly Britt do her minis, you know, and I went into the cabinet and I was like, I wonder if I got the stuff she used. Boom. I got it. And then I think she also used this. Okay, so I was like, boom, all right, I'm gonna use that. But I threw in 2 other products. But it's some styling gel as well as some jam. Then I found out that I was supposed to like wet my hair a little bit, you know. It's probably why I was a little stiff or whatever. So I wet it, you know, probably a little too much because they shriveling up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna part my hair and we're gonna do this with the products that I got right here. Now, this halfway through, baby. This took me about 2 hours. This took me about 2 hours. So I'm assuming this, I hope this takes a little less time. I'm gonna time it. It's about 5 o'clock right here. So I'll let y'all know. And that's on per. My camera battery about to die, so it's the perfect time to go ahead and come back when I get 75%-ish of the way done, okay? Okay. Halfway through. Y'all, so Or excuse me, actually 75% of the way through. This half of my hair only took me 45 minutes. So I should be done earlier than expected, you feel me? We still getting somewhere now. I don't know if my hair was actually thick enough for this, to be honest. My hair isn't as thick as I want it to be, you know. It's not giving me the vibes I want. However, y'all always know you bring that makeup in, you get a little accessory, a little accessory. You throw a little filter on or something. You know, you can pretty much make anything pop. But yeah, it's definitely for people with thick hair and edges. So whenever I just, you know, decide to get my life together, actually go on my grow my edges journey, yeah, I'll try this again. But I definitely want to know what y'all think in the comments below. Would you try mini twists? Do you see the benefits in having mini twists as a protective style? Come on, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Hold up.
Yo, bro. Oh. Yeah, they hate, but they broke.
That's big girl things, okay? Come on, natural Lestas. The fuck. I will see y'all on my next upload. Remember, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the biggest army on YouTube and the Natural Les family, of course. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl Les LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace. Bye. Shout out to y'all boy who been doing it for a while, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully this turned out the way I need it to turn out. Yeah, I ain't got no hair in front. Honestly, this is as a result of me cutting out braids. My back hurts like, come on. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish letting this battery charge. Be right back. Let me see, can we get a little flip to the side? Maybe we get some side part action here or something like that. Nah, we'll keep it in a bit. Okay. We'll keep it in a bit of that side part. Yeah, nah. Or something like that.